I want to start with dealing with rejection, because all of us will be dealing with rejection. You not live in an ideal world. Sometimes people are not comfortable with seeing you move. Sometimes people envy you, and sometimes people just don't believe in you, and it's okay. But don't take this as something that you have to listen to, because number one is when one door closes, the new one opens. This is true. In 2014, I've been laid off from my job, and that's when I started the conferences. It's not that I started them right away, but like in a year, I started running my own conferences because I was free to do this. When I was working, I helped to organize somebody else's conferences because I really love organizing conferences. But that wasn't my own, so I had a lot of stress, and it was like you have to coordinate your work, your after work activity, your community activity, and it was really stressful. But once I was laid off from my work, then I had all my time back to me, and I could do something that I really wanted to do. So I took it as an opportunity to do something. Number two is somebody's opinion of you is really fact of their biography. It's not part of yours.